Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, we're exploring one of the most dynamic shifts in medtech, the rise of AI-integrated wearables. These devices are rapidly evolving from niche medical tools into mainstream consumer wellness products. And no category illustrates this better than continuous glucose monitors, or CGMs. Traditionally used by individuals with diabetes, companies like Abbott and Dexcom are now targeting the general wellness market, a move powered by significant technological and regulatory tailwinds. The core of this trend lies in the fusion of advanced sensors and powerful on-device analytics. The wearable medtech market is expanding at a compound annual growth rate of 25.53%, fueled by technology that goes far beyond simple tracking. Modern sensors have become remarkably accurate and user-friendly. In November 2021, the FDA was already noting that modern CGM sensors were achieving a mean absolute relative difference, or MARD, of less than 10% and extending wear times to 14 days, making them more reliable and convenient for continuous use. This data is then processed by sophisticated AI, often using edge computing, which means the analysis happens directly on the device. This allows for real-time insights and predictions without constant reliance on the cloud. The goal is no longer just to report data, but to predict future health events. By analyzing subtle patterns in biometric data, these wearables aim to provide early warnings for potential issues, shifting the paradigm from reactive treatment to proactive health management. A major catalyst for this market expansion in the United States has been the expansion of Medicare coverage for CGMs, which began in 2024. This policy change has dramatically increased accessibility and accelerated adoption rates, creating a larger user base and encouraging further innovation. We are already seeing the results of this shift in the market. Abbott, for example, has secured FDA clearance for its Lingo device, a CGM specifically designed for health-conscious consumers who want to optimize their diet and exercise. Similarly, Dexcom is preparing to launch its Stilo device in the summer of 2024, an over-the-counter CGM created for people with type 2 diabetes who do not use insulin, helping them understand the impact of their lifestyle choices on glucose levels. This convergence of AI, sensor technology, and changing reimbursement landscapes is creating a new frontier in personalized health. It's a market that is not just growing, but fundamentally changing how consumers interact with their own health data, creating immense opportunities for medtech innovators. If your company is navigating the complex regulatory pathways for AI-driven medical devices or seeking to enter new global markets, Pure Global can help. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.